I'm about to try mixing Schwarzkopf Live Ultra Brights in Tangerine Twist with a bunch of conditioner to try and dilute it, and I'm gonna put it on the top of this slightly pinkish kind of hair in the hopes of achieving something like this. Wish me luck. We've got Ultra Brights in Tangerine Twist. I'm going to try out Lightening Conditioner by John Frieda. I'm just trying this because last time it did ever so slightly lighten my hair and I quite liked it. And the bulk of what I'm using is this. This is a Tresemme Smooth and Silky Conditioner, and I'm hoping that just the one packet of this and a lot of this will be a nice pastel kind of corally colour. I swear Macca's gives you more tomato sauce than this. Well, that's exactly what you want to see in your food bowl. If I was a prank channel, I would mix some chicken in with this and try and serve it to a friend. This is still looking very, very, very orange. I think I might have to add a little bit of pink into this. So I'm going to try and add in Bright Organics Pastel Pink. I chose this as the one that I'm going to add in because I seem to remember that I liked this one when I did my 16 different pink hair dyes video. I think that this one was a really nice pastel color, and I seem to remember it lasted quite a while too. I swear, no matter how much conditioner I add to this, it doesn't get any more pastel. I feel like I made a fatal error in putting the orange in first. Probably should have started with the conditioner first and added the orange until I liked the color. I'm just a little bit nervous to put this on my head because I don't want my hair to be orange. I want it to be coral. Okay, look, let's just keep going. How much conditioner do I need to add? Let's just add the whole bottle. Bowl now contains an entire bottle of conditioner and 1 sachet of Schwarzkopf Live Ultra Brights Tangerine Twist. Here goes. The temptation to put my whole head in this bowl is overwhelming. Well, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. I have literally used the last drop of conditioner that is in this house. So let's just do it. If I'm not happy with it, I can try and put some pink over the top of it at a later date, but let's just give this a try. All right guys, I've got a gin and tonic, probably the color that my hair is gonna turn out. I have a single hair clip because that's all I can find. I have a comb and a brush and gloves. May not be the most professional setup, but this is the best it's ever gonna get on this channel. What I'd really like to know is, how do people know that they're doing the back of their head right? Like, am I supposed to just find a mirror and set it up behind me or something? Because I don't have eyes in the back of my head. I suppose I can do this and just hope for the best. Is this, oh my God. Okay, I'm trying to think how I'm gonna do this. What if I just do this without looking and just hope for the best? Okay, did that get it? Oh, yep, that got it. Oh dear. I'm so annoyed. Sam was literally just here. I could have got him to do this for me. I didn't have the idea until after he left. I'm sorry, I just don't have the hand-eye coordination to use this brush on the back of my head, so we're going with the old-fashioned Alex technique, which is slap it on the hands, pray for the best. That's quite orange. If I run out, I'm going to be mortified. I used a litre of conditioner, but to be fair, knowing me, half of it's going to end up on the floor. You know what? I'm gonna buy this conditioner again. This is actually delightful. Usually when I have conditioner in my hair, if I try to comb it through, the comb gets stuck, but it's just gliding through my hair. I can't believe it. Did I really just find a supermarket conditioner that I actually like? Can you guys tell me down below what conditioner you usually like to mix with your hair dye? Because I was reading some forums and there was a lot of mixed reviews. A lot of people were saying if you're going to mix conditioner with hair dye, you've got to choose a conditioner that doesn't have silicone in it. You guys taught me not to bother purchasing a pastelizer, which I did at one point spend $30 on because the girl at Hair House Warehouse told me you have to use a pastelizer and not conditioner. Lies. Deception. Little did she know I had 680,000 people to tell me otherwise. Oh God, it's all over my pants. You know, I'm sitting here trying to think of a name for this video, you know, a title. Should I call it, what happens when you put orange hair dye over pink hair? Or should I call it Mixing Schwarzkopf Live with Bright Organics? Or should I call it Girl Commits Multiple Hair Atrocities to Piss Off Brad Mondo? Atrocities. Can confirm there is more orange on the floor than there is in my hair. All right, well, I'm all done. I'm in my 30-minute waiting period now, waiting for it all to set in. I'm actually going to put the excess back into the bottle because there is so much left in the bowl. And if I like this color, I'm going to continue to use it. So I don't know whether or not it's safe to store used hair dye in a bottle. I don't see why not. I don't see why I couldn't just pop it straight back in a bottle and continue using it. But anyway, there's plenty there for me to use. So fingers crossed I actually adore this color and I want to keep using it for the long term. All right, well, here it is. I don't think that I would call it peach in some areas. It's really orange where this little bit of bleached regrowth is here, but on the ends, it's still pink. So I don't know if the orange just didn't take, or if because of the pink underneath, maybe the pink pigments were stronger than the orange pigments, I'm not sure. But anyway, here it is. I guess it kind of looks like a bit of a two-tone. It looks like it's orange to pink. I just can't win. I really can't win no matter what I do. All right, so it's been a couple of days since I dyed my hair peach, which didn't work at all. But I'm starting to think that perhaps, I wonder if I put the same product back over my hair, I wonder what will happen. See, normally when you dye your hair, if you dye your hair pink, and let's say you use a Schwarzkopf Live Pastel Pink, then if a couple of days later you took Schwarzkopf Live Pastel Pink and you put it over the top of your already pastel pink hair, would it amplify the pastel pink or would it make no difference at all? My speculation is it'll make no difference at all, but I've literally never done it. So I want to take this little concoction that I made of the conditioner and the orange, and I want to put it just straight over the top of this pink section. I don't think I need to put it over the top of this part because this is already quite orange up here, but I want to put it over the pink and see if it deposits any more orange. But my question is, I wonder if I should add more orange to it. What do you think? I mean, not that it matters what you think, because I'm going to upload this video and you'll leave your opinions, but I will have already done it. So tell me what you think I should have done. I wonder. Oh. You know what? It's really starting to grow on me, as hair does. I don't mind it so much. It's almost peach. It's just not quite there yet. So I'm just gonna get some more of that conditioner. I'm just gonna slap it on, leave it for half an hour or so. Maybe I'll leave it for even longer. Maybe. Every time I do something to my hair, I care less and less and less about my technique, which is pretty frightening to think about considering I didn't care about my technique in the first place. Yep, no gloves. Surprise! It's me from 3 months later. Yeah, it's May now, and what you just watched was filmed in February. No, I haven't had a haircut. I know, look how short my hair looks right now. It's just, I curled it. No, I haven't cut it. But as you know, if you watched the main channel, you would have seen that I went platinum blonde last week. And anyway, long story short, this is what my hair looked like after I washed it through the second time with more product on top. And it washed out very quickly after that. The color just didn't last. It didn't go orange, it just continued to look pink. But now that I am platinum blonde, I have a good sort of base point. So if you know any good products that could give me that really nice pastel peachy kind of color that I want, just like, you know, this was the picture that I was hoping to achieve. And now that my hair's been corrected and I don't have any weird spots that are kind of uneven, I should get a single uniform color next time I dye it. So please leave your product recommendations below for any peachy kind of colors. I know Lime Crime, their unicorn hair, they've got some sort of peachy kind of color for that one. There's a few brands. I'm just a bit hesitant to try any of them because I like the platinum so much that whatever color I try next, I want it to wash out 100%. I want to make sure that it's not going to leave any sort of residual color afterwards. So if you know a product that will actually wash out, something that'll go peachy pastel peach, peachy pastel peach, pastel peach, peachy pastel. If you know a color like that will actually wash out back to platinum blonde, please tell me down below and I'll give it a try next time. But with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah!